Hi everyone, welcome to this quick overview of BirdTab, a Chrome extension designed to bring a touch of nature to your browsing experience. My name is Jay, and I'm excited to show you how BirdTab can transform your new tab page with beautiful bird photos and sounds. Let us dive in. You can find BirdTab on Chrome Web Store. Simply search for BirdTab. Click Add to Chrome, and you're all set. Once added, BirdTab will take you through a quick onboarding process. Here you can select your region to get bird photos and sounds that are more relevant to where you live, or choose a different region if you prefer. You can also set the autoplay options for the bird sounds. Once done, click Start Birding to complete the onboarding. Now every time you open a new tab, you will be greeted with a stunning bird photo and its accompanying sound. Here we have a beautiful image of a bird, and you can hear its distinct call. Each new tab refreshes with a different bird, providing a variety of visuals and sounds.
Gun library cut 3.
BirdTab features high-quality images and authentic bird sounds from various species around the world. It is like having a mini bird-watching session right in your browser. In addition to the visuals and sounds, BirdTab provides a brief educational note about each bird species. This way you can learn something new every time you open a new tab. For quick access to your region and autoplay settings, you can pin BirdTab, and for it, click on the extension icon in the top right corner of Chrome. Find BirdTab in the list and click the pin icon next to it. This will keep BirdTab visible on your toolbar, allowing you to easily access and adjust your settings anytime. Whether you're working, studying, or just browsing the web, BirdTab brings a little piece of nature to your day, making your online experience more pleasant and refreshing. So are you ready to transform your new tab page? You can download BirdTab today and start enjoying the beauty of birds every time you browse. Thank you for watching and happy birding!